What if the rain you've spent your life avoiding was the one thing that could make you whole? This is my story, a journey through puddles and pain, across cities and storms, where rain reshapes the soul. This isn't just about water falling from the sky. This is about me, about life, about embracing what I don't like. I was born in Delhi in the heart of monsoon season. Rain wasn't just weather, it was the pulse. As a kid, I splashed through puddles on the road, raincoats flapping, free, no weight, no load. Evenings meant hot pakoras on the balcony's edge, the smell of wet sand, the earth drinking rain's pledge. Birds chirped loud, families scrambled in a rush, grabbing clothes from the line in a chaotic hush. Our ground floor apartment opens its doors to little creatures escaping the downpour's roars. There were insects and mongoose, cats they'd come, they'd stay. Monsoon was alive in its own messy, loud way. But growing up changed me. Something shifted inside. I started hating the rain, the mud I couldn't hide. Dirt stuck to my shoes, brought things I didn't like. I dodged the monsoon, kept dry land in sight. Then I moved to Dubai, where rain's a rare spark, like free popcorn at the movies gone in the dark. When it poured, I'd drive, not wanting to get wet. Grabbing shawarma and chai, in my car I'd sit and yet. The rain washed away in the desert's movie set. Its gentle call made my heart start to grow, no longer my foe. Healing old wounds helped my soul mend. Now in Hong Kong, rain falls nearly every day. I'm learning to embrace it in my own quiet way. My phone buzzes, apps warning where the rain will land. But deep down, I still don't like it, though I'm starting to stand. Today, I give rain a chance. I let it touch my skin. I get a bit wet. I smile. I let the rain win. I don't crave it, but I don't push it away. I'm ready to feel it, come what may. On a trip, I met a friend from London's Grey, teaching his son there's no bad weather, you're just unprepared for it. So here I am, no more running from what I don't like. I'm ready this time, I'll stand in the rain. Let it soak me through, wash away the pain. The rain's not my enemy, nor my heart's deep desire. It's just life falling down, lifting me higher.